Hi, Rob Marino with Sentry Equipment here, and we've had series regarding our batch freezer on production of Italian ice and water ice, sorbet, and we've had hard ice cream. In today's series, we're going to be making gelato. Okay? For that, I brought in a longtime customer, good friend, and local gelato expert, Mr. Dennis Raffa.
Buongiorno, everybody. Welcome to Sentry. Today, one of the things we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing a tiramisu gelato from scratch. Very, very simple recipe and very basic recipe. It's a cold process recipe. There's cold process, hot process. If you're from Italy, you never want to talk about cold process because that's it. They don't want to talk to you about that. But this cold process is very, very easy to do, very simple process to do, and it's an excellent process. So it works very, very well. Now, the difference between gelato and American ice cream has a minimum of a 14% butter fat, may go up 16, 18, and 20% depending on what they want to do, with a 100% overrun on that. So now you're talking 16%, 14% butter fat, as opposed to a 7% butter fat with a 35% overrun. So you have a product here that has better flavor, less air, and it's just so wonderful to enjoy.